Hello again, fourth graders. This is Mr. A, and we're reviewing the skill of multiplying fractions. So remember, multiplying means we have repeated addition. We are repeating a number by addition. Okay, so it's a repeated addition. And fractions are a fraction is a whole that is broken into pieces. Fraction is a whole that is broken into pieces. It can have all the pieces and stay whole, or it just stays as a fraction, okay, when it's missing pieces. So let's say, for example, that we have, I apologize, I just had it. All right, let's say we have 6 times 4 sevenths. 6 times 4 sevenths, that means our fraction 4 sevenths is being repeated 6 times. Okay, so we have to model our 4 sevenths. So I'm going to draw a hole, and I need to look at the denominator, and my denominator is 7. So that means I have to partition it into 7 pieces. So I'm going to draw my 7, and then this one I'm going to partition it into half and make 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That was a terrible idea. Let me redo it again. Sorry. Okay. So let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My seventh one is not good. I'm gonna cheat and make them equal. You can erase your drawing, but you want to make them equal, right? So we have right now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have a whole that is partitioned into 7. But what does our fraction say? Our fraction says that we don't have a whole. We have only 4 pieces. 4 pieces of those 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We are missing 3 pieces, so we don't have a whole. We have only 4 sevenths. Now that we have our model, this is 4 sevenths one time. This is one time. So we want to make it 6 times. Okay? So again, I'm going to just copy my model until I have 6 times. Okay, so this is 2 times. Now this is 4 times. 6 times. And my last one is my 7th time. Okay, so how many did I make? I made, oh sorry, I shouldn't have made 7. I need only 6. So let me undo. So I just need 6 because I'm multiplying only by 6, right? This is my number, 6 times. So how many sevenths do we have? Well, all of those fractions are in 7th, right? Now I have 4 sevenths, 4 sevenths, 4 pieces of 7th. I have it repeated 6 times. So 6 times 4, that gives me 24 pieces of 7ths. Okay? I want to do one simpler than the one I just presented because I was just lagging a little bit. So let's try another one. Alright, so let's say we have 3 times, so 3 times 2/5. So what does that mean? That means we have the fraction 2/5. So I'm going to draw a hole, and I'm going to partition it into fifths. Oops, into fifths, because that's the denominator that tells me how the whole is partitioned. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here's my 1/5. Here's my 2/5, because I only have 2 and I'm missing 3 pieces, so that's not a whole, that is just a fraction, 2/5. Now how many of it do I have? I have 3 of it, 3 times. So I have to draw this whole 3 times and partition it into fifths, because that's what the denominator is, right? But for each one we have 2/5. So there are 2/5 repeated 3 times. Okay, so same model repeated 3 times. So all our fractions are in fifths. Now we need to count the pieces. I have 2 here, 2 pieces of fifths, 2 pieces of fifth, 2 pieces of fifth. That gives me 6 in total. So I have 6 fifths. So I hope this video is a good review for you, and if you have questions, please let me know.